I've always been into video games and have a little bit of everything that goes with the video games, the Halo stuff, and I mean, everything's a video game. What inspired me was these trucks and stuff. Like, you can't find models of specifically the S10s, and that's a huge part of my world. So I started making custom S10s for people, and it just blew up from there to doing all kinds of other stuff that we've liked over the years. And it's a more affordable way than buying stuff off the shelf or getting custom stuff. It's just fun. We have a good variety of stuff we typically don't see at most 3D print booths. I mean, I've never seen hardly anything. We have some fidget stuff that a lot of booths have, but like these Legos and cars and trucks and little models of ARs with working slides. Some of them shoot BBs. We try to do different stuff than everybody. We're having a good time so far at our first convention. I mean, everybody's been real nice. It's fun seeing all the cosplay people, seeing video games and stuff that I haven't seen in years. It's a good time.